Here we have a look at Camponotus semitestaceus, the half-shelled carpenter ant, a desert arid dwelling species. Some macro footage shows them very up close and personal. That worker there recently emerged. That one there was the first worker. Another pupae as another worker will be emerging over the next week or so. A large number of fresh eggs, a few various stages of larvae. This colony is off to a great start. Time will tell how far this colony progresses. Stay tuned, friends.